if you have this full yellow, full white, this is okay for the below layers. Okay, but this not even. See, not even at all. So first of all, as before, we have to take a look for the twin color. This only one twin, only green. Okay, we come to twin color first, and then we take a look at the edge here. Oh, this is the same color, so we cannot use the separation technique. We have to use the moving technique. Okay, then we do it like this: up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. And then we will have the fish again. And this yellow, okay, we have to use the moving technique. Up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Okay, full orange, full yellow now. Okay, then take a look again for the twin. Oh, now it's red. And take a look here, and this. Oh, now this, it's different. We can use the separation technique. Okay, then up, out, up, back, down, back, down. The fish again. Okay, the fish, you can see, because this is not yellow, this is yellow. Okay, this means we have to take a look for the twin color. Okay, only one twin of the red. Okay, so we have to use the separation technique. Up, out, up, back, down, back, down. Now we have the fish again, but this time this is yellow, same as this. So this means we have to use the moving technique. Up, out, down, out, out. Oh, sorry. Out, one out, and up, out, out, down. Now we have the layer of red here, so we're moving to the red side like this. So take a look. Okay, now we have even light up here. Okay, so we will do the last step from now.